Previously on the vlog. Okay, slight disappointment. They don't have stock, so probably gonna end up buying online. Okay, I was successful in placing the order, and the box is here. This is Samsung's M7, and if you can see it, so I'm gonna try to unbox this. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna start unboxing my M7 Mac, no, not MacBook, M7 Samsung something or other. So this is the smart monitor by Samsung. It's M7, the model number, and it is a smart monitor. Did I say that already? Or my bad. Right. Okay, I'm excited. What is this? That's the build. I don't have one of those fancy unboxing knives, but this should do. It's some thermocol action. Ow, my back. I feel I'm old. Okay, so this is the TV or the monitor. I'm gonna keep this aside for now. Let's see what else is in the box. I get a couple of things. This is the stand, which ignore the action that I'm doing, but this goes back behind the smart monitor. So this is the power adapter, I'm guessing, yeah. And I get a HDMI cable. And this is the base plate of the TV. So that's about it. Welcome, Mr. Anish. So he is our financial influencer.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? And behind the camera you can see is Mr.
Yes.
Anant Shetty, the popular kid in college. Of course. Let's check out the TV itself. I'm all excited. So I'm gonna watch unboxing now. Alright. So this, that's the M7 one. Okay, now coming to one of the best parts. Peeling the plastic. Will it make a sound? Is this your handprint?
Must be.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, come on.
Wow. I don't want to touch Poya. You should have seen his face, bro. Lower. Step by step to the hinge.
And the final piece of the thing. Does it even have it? I don't think so it has it. Does it have it? It doesn't have it?
What?
No, there is no film, right?
There's no film.
No.
Huh?
It's
Anja marks by the now.
one second.
Plug this thing in. So this time goes to this and then to the base plate. And this also has a cable organizer. Look at that. I was a little fancier than I saw on YouTube. Okay, so I do need a screw. Do you have a screwdriver?
No, man.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so this goes like this, and this is what I have right now. I borrowed it from Anand Shetty. Which one is it? Oh, there it is. Look at that. There is. Fantastic. Okay, that looks good. That feels good. Yo, wasn't it supposed to come with the remote?
There's no remote. There is.
It is white.
Oh, there is. Okay, so the tightening is done here. Okay, so now the base plates. Alright, so that was a successful install of the base plate. I just realized there are buttons on the bottom end of it. See, look at that, buttons. That's fantastic, guys. Alright, so I attached the HDMI and the power cord. Let's install. Let's just place this where it's supposed to be. Okay, this feels a little weird. Placement. I was expecting it to be bigger, dude. Alright, so this is the tiny little remote. Oh, looks pretty fancy. Look at this. Alright. Now before I turn this on, I do have to say that I'm a little disappointed with the base. It's not really strong and it kind of wobbles a lot. If you see, so Not too sure about the stand, but anyway, enough about the stand. So you pull this, so it turns. Oh, it does. Yo, why is it not white?
Maybe there's some setting you need to change.
So it has taken me to App Store to download this particular app called Smart Things. I don't know what this is for. Probably this is like a Samsung ecosystem of some sorts. What do you think? What are your thoughts? First impressions.
I think it looks pretty good. Yeah.
Is it? If Anand says it's pretty good, then it's got to be pretty good because he knows his stuff.
What is
What do you think? What do you think? Hey, this whole thing is going to take time, I think. I'm legit. This is too much time. Yeah, I'm waiting since forever. Yay! No, connecting to your screen finally. I said that too soon. Okay.
Yes.
Can happen anytime now.
Adipad.
Microphone, yeah.
Close it now.
Oh, look at that, it's happening. Look at this. Something's happening.
That should be the focus.
Boom. That's what it is.
It's not. That is not what it is.
What?
What's so smart about it?
It's like a smart TV that comes
Yeah?
with the
Yeah, it
Android.
has all the apps.
Yeah.
Netflix, Prime,
Oh,
everything.
I didn't know that.
That's why. Why do you think I bought it? So wireless connection is done.
Yay!
It's fantastic, guys. Terms and conditions, blah 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 blah. Agree to all, okay. There's even better.
Kuda update again.
He just said bye bye to his privacy.
No!
Engine and
Why? Oh, it's all done. Okay.
for a change.
It's
Such a marginal laugh, bro.
Later,
Yeah.
you can give. Yeah.
Later. Oh, what is this? This is my 4K TV, and now it's connected to my Mac. And I want to do some tests on it and see how it goes. Not really impressed as of yet, but let's see how it goes.